Product sell points. 10 points touch screen. Monitor. Use multiple fingers to zoom in and out of images and make notes on images or documents. No driver required. And no need stylus. Also can work with glove and adjust the brightness. Advanced features. Support screen mirroring from mobile phones or laptops. The live streaming equipment connect via wireless, USB encode, horizontal and vertical placement for smart TV play and picture display, connect additional camera and microphone F, plug and play, and multi-interface. This electronic whiteboard Android OS has 2x USB, HDMI, TF/SD card slot, Lan and Wi-Fi, built-in speakers, and 3.5mm audio jack. Supports real-time editing and sharing of multi-person and multi-device on the touchscreen. True flat seamless design. IPE5 standard touchscreen monitor, lightweight aluminum alloy frame, special design for day-to-day high-traffic work environment, supports horizontal or vertical monitor wall mount. This touchscreen monitor enhances interactivity and is suitable for business presentations, classroom teaching, home entertainment. This interactive whiteboard is FCC, CE, and RoHS certified, and you can receive 24/7 online support for any usage or quality. Thank you.